Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a failure to load Steam UI.dll fatal error in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to right click on the Steam and select open file location. In here you just need to find Steam UI.dll. Just right click on it and select delete it. If your Steam is running in the background, then click on this arrow icon, right click on the Steam and select exit Steam. After exiting Steam, select try again. Select try again. Now again try to delete this DLL. After deleting it, just close stuff here and open up Steam and check if the problem solved or not. If not, let's move on to the method 2 guys. Method 2, you just need to right click on the Steam and select open file location. Right click on the steam.exe and select properties. Select compatibility tab and we just need to check mark run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8 and then select apply and OK for changes. Now check if the problem solved or not. If not, let's move on to the method 3 guys. Method 3, you just need to go to search menu and type run. Click on open it. In run window, you just need to type percentage local app data percentage again. Click on OK to open up. In here, you just need to find the Steam folder. Just right click on it and select delete it. If you can't delete the Steam folder, then you just need to close the Steam running in the background. After that, try again and delete the Steam folder. After deleting the Steam folder, just close stuff here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these methods fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.